How to use point-slope form in linear equations. Have you ever wondered how to write the equation of a straight line when you know its slope and a specific point on it? Let's break down the point-slope form together. This method is a handy tool for working with linear relationships. The point-slope form equation looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Here, y1 and x1 are the coordinates of a known point on the line, and m represents the slope. The variables x and y can be any point on that line. To get started, the first step is to identify the slope, which is represented by the letter m. The slope tells us how steep the line is. You can calculate the slope by taking the change in y and dividing it by the change in x between 2 points on the line. If you have 2 points, let's say point 1 with coordinates x1 and y1, and point 2 with coordinates x2 and y2, you can find the slope using the formula. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next, you will need to choose one point on the line to use as your coordinates x1 and y1. This point can be any point on the line, but it is often one of the 2 points you use to find the slope. Now it's time to substitute the slope and the coordinates of your chosen point into the point-slope formula. For example, if you have a slope of 2 and the line passes through the point 3, you would write it like this: y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 3. Once you have this equation, it represents the line. You can keep it in this form or rearrange it to other forms, such as the slope-intercept form, which looks like y equals mx plus b. By solving for y in our example, you can expand and simplify it to get y equals to x minus 2. Point-slope form is especially useful when you know a point on the line and the slope but do not yet know the y-intercept. It provides a straightforward way to write the equation of the line without needing the full graph or intercepts. Keep in mind that if the line is horizontal, meaning the slope is 0, the equation simplifies to y equals y1. On the other hand, if the line is vertical, point-slope form does not apply because the slope is undefined. In that case, the equation would be equals x1. Using point-slope form allows learners to see the relationship between slope, points, and linear equations. It connects geometric understanding with algebraic representation, making linear equations more approachable for everyone.